right, guys, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you 30 faceless YouTube channel niches that are the most profitable, okay? And we're going to start from 1 and go all the way to 30, with 1 being the most profitable, okay? Number 1 is animals. Number 2, arts and crafts. Number 3, automotive. Number 4, business. Number 5, career. Number 6, cartoons and animation. Number 7, celebrity news, celebrity gossip. Number 8, cryptocurrency. Number 9, DIY tutorials and hacks. Number 10, education. Number 11, food and cooking. Number 12, gardening. Number 13, health. Number 14, history. Number 15, home improvement. Number 16, interesting facts. Number 17, kids or the children niche, specifically kids education. Number 18, movies reviews, things like that. Number 19, music reviews, things like that. Number 20, news, what's going on in the news. Number 21, podcasts. Number 22, politics. Number 23, real estate. Number 24, reviews. So reviews on just whatever. Phone reviews, car reviews, food reviews, location reviews. Science. Number 25, science. Number 26, sports. Number 27, technology and gadgets. Number 28, trading and investing. Number 29, travel. Number 30, video game. Okay. Now, all of these niches you can make money in all of these niches. Just because something's at the bottom doesn't mean it's profitable. All these niches make millions, if not billions, trillions of dollars, right? Across the YouTube platform. So any niche you pick is going to make you money. Just some niches have a larger audience than others, you know? Because if you look, I told you I'm going to do dating advice. Dating advice wasn't even on this list, but it's still very profitable. So I'm actually going to put this in the course downloads so you guys can actually see it as well. Not only does it give the niches that are profitable, but it gives examples. So if you want to get a little bit of inspiration, I suggest going over this and just seeing what examples are out there and just using this as a template, as a guide. Guys, so if you got any value from this video, I would suggest you consider my YouTube automation course. Now, it's very affordable. It's not one of those $1,000 courses where we try to upsell you. This is just a one-on-one course that I made specifically affordable because I just got tired of people scamming, people who were just looking for knowledge. So in this video, we keep everything official and transparent. We don't try to hold anything. We're giving you guys all the gems and all the tools that you need. And we're letting you know the tips and tricks that, and stumbles and pitfalls that I had actually building my 2 faceless YouTube channels. So we're going to go over the AI tools needed. We're going to actually build a faceless video from scratch. We're going to do it from scratch live. And also, guys, if you don't want to go the AI tools route, maybe you want to be totally hands off, you want to just pay somebody to do it for you, we're actually going to go over how to build a team, where to get your team, and actually what to look forward to when doing it that route too. So we cover both ways, whether it's the AI tools, using AI to make the videos, or whether you're going to pay a team to make the videos. We cover all of that. We also cover how to build a YouTube brand. A lot of people forget this. They think that you just make the video and post it. No, you actually have to make a brand with logos, with channel art, and optimize your channel for your target demographic. We go over that as well. If you got any value from this, I would consider purchasing my course where we dive right into it.